I'll say the prayer.
Okay.
Our Father in heaven, we are so much grateful unto thee for this day. We thank thee so much for the privilege that we have to come together to work on this mini project. We ask thee that thou will help us to be able to do this project and to be able to fulfill all the requirements regarding this mini project system. We ask for understanding. We say these things in the name of thy Son, even Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Okay.
So let me share my screen.
Okay.
So can you see my screen now?
Okay. Yeah, I just got to make it bigger. Okay. All right.
So they give us all this whole bunch of data. So what I did after I ended up in this column, I tried to use can you see the formula?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
So I was using the V lookup to calculate for each of the various add-on that we are supposed to work on. So I use the VLOOKUP. I use the match function too as well. So I put the data basically from the sales data and also from the add-on section to be able to get the various add-on figures. So I did the same thing for everything over here, using the same formula, but I just have to use the next add-on that I'm going to search for.
Okay. So you just added these columns onto the pre-existing information?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I just added that one. So after.
That's a lot. Okay.
Yeah. So I put for the first part. So the second part, when you look at it was saying that we need to create 12 columns showing the price of each 12 different add-on options. Another step 2.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is basically what I did. Just
okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the 12 add-ons. But after that, I found a discount percentage for each of the add-ons. So, and with that one, I use the if and count if statement formula to figure out the percentage discount.
Okay.
Then I sum up all the add-ons that I have for the entire 12. After that, I go back again, use the VLOOKUP formula again to find out for, I think that was the second. So we should the 12 columns showing the cost for each of the 12 different add-on options. Again, only show the cost if A1 is entered in the application column. So this is the cost.
Short instructions, but a lot of work. Okay.
Yes. So I have to find the cost for each of the add-on. So I use the VLOOKUP formula again, using the information from the add-on, and that I also use the match function to pull out all those information.
Okay.
So from there, I did it for the entire 12. Then I did a total column for all the total cost for the add-ons. After that, I find a grand total for both add-ons, or the one or in terms of the price and also that of the cost. And I added both add-ons to get a grand total cost.
Okay.
So let me know if I'm going too fast or there's something else that I need to show you.
What was that again?
Let me know if I'm going fast or there's something else.
No, it's okay. It's good to have this kind of overview of, yeah. And I like what you did with the colors and the layout. I think that helps a lot. Okay. Yeah. I'm a little overwhelmed looking at all of it because that looks like a lot of work, but we'll get that figured out. So is that the end? Is that?
Yeah, so that is for this part, the question 2.
Okay. Oh.
That is what I've done for the question 2.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to the dashboard, here's what we have to create a dashboard that shows the add-on profitability. The salesperson key performance indicators. So we have to have 2 drop-down lists, one for the salesperson and one for month.
Okay.
Yeah. So with the question 1, this is the add-on for the profitability. So I create this one, it shows the vehicle model, and also the second one, the add-on option tells you which add-ons that did they added to the vehicle. So if I should change this one and change the vehicle model, it should change all the
like what we did on the video.
Yes, the price have to change. The cost for that add-on has to also change, and it has to give us the margin, the gross margin, and also the percentage gross margin. So any of these ones, when you choose it, and you choose a different add-on, it tells you the kind of the cost and the price and the margin that has been made on each of the add-on.
Okay.
So for here, in order to get this, I embedded a nested if statement over here that tells me have you seen?
Gosh.
Yes.
Oh yeah, wow.
I embedded a nested if statement over here. So that helps me to be able to pull up the rest of the information from the sales data information and the add-on in order to be able to use a VLOOKUP to be able to find for after creating the drop-down menu. I use the VLOOKUP function to just pick up the various information from the dashboard and the add-on to be able to get the various price, cost, and the profit margin.
Okay, so question. Is that what the instructor was saying, you could use the column function? Or yeah. That's the right
Yeah,
word.
I was trying to use the column function. I was thinking that was going to takes me a long time to figure out. So what I did on when it comes to this data, you see, I put the amount over here, and I also put the various salesperson over here. So each of these things, I was able to refer after creating a drop-down list for each of these items. I can be able to refer it from the dashboard.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yes. So this is the same thing I've done for the salesperson and the month. That one to when I change the various parameters, it changes.
Okay.
Yeah.
The add-on info. Oh boy. Okay, well, looks like I'm going to need to dedicate a few hours or more to this one.
Yeah.
Oh, that helps a lot though to see an example. So that should help a lot. Well, I'm really excited for you that you're kind of all done.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, cool. Okay, Well, thank you for sharing that with me.
Okay.
I'm sorry that I have to run so early on Thursdays.
Okay.
But
All right. Don't worry. I'm okay.
okay, well, good luck with your other classes and have a good
Okay.
weekend.
You too. I'll see you Tuesday.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Yeah.